In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Yahoo password without email and phone number. If you're locked out and can't access your recovery email or phone, don't worry, there are still a few paths you can try, and I'll walk you through each one clearly. Start by opening your browser and going to the Yahoo sign-in helper at login.yahoo.com. Type in the Yahoo email address for the account you're trying to recover. When prompted about what's wrong, choose the option that indicates you're having trouble with your password. This tells the system you can't use the usual verification methods. Next, look for a link or button that says something like, "I need more options." This is important if you don't have access to recovery email or phone. If you previously set up security questions on your account, Yahoo may show them here. Answer them exactly as you originally did. Take your time, check spelling and capitalization, and think back to how you might have entered them. If your answers match, you'll be able to proceed to reset your password. If the system doesn't show security questions or you can't recall the answers, don't worry, there's still another route. From here, choose the option to contact Yahoo's premium support. On the Help Central site, look for Call Premium Customer Care or similar wording to reach paid support. Availability can vary by region and plan, but if you have access, this is the most reliable way to recover without email or phone. When you speak with a specialist, be ready to share account details they request to verify you, such as when you created the account or recent activity you recognize. They may provide a one-time code or guide you through identity verification. Follow their instructions carefully, and once they confirm it's you, they'll help you reset your password securely. Remember, legitimate support will never ask for your current password, only verification details. After you regain access, immediately update your security. Create a strong new password that's long and unique, using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Then add or update a recovery email and phone so you have multiple ways back in if you ever get locked out again. Turn on two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. Finally, sign out and back in to test your new password and confirm everything is working properly across your devices. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.